Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we have to switch it to the kind of recording mode, to the camera option, and if you can see this dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can open the settings, so simply swipe your finger up, and on the second position we've got the resolution, which we can change. We've got only two different options, so the FHD, which is currently applied, and 4K. So all you have to do is to tap on the, in my case, 4K, and as you can see right now this option is active, and from now on whenever you will record the video it will use the chosen resolution. You can also change the frames per second, it's up to you, can pick 30 or 60 frames per second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.